Every year, thousands of phones are lost or stolen, leaving people without a lifeline. Out-of-pocket repairs, replacement costs, and downtime can be expensive and stressful. Fifth Third MyCellular helps protect your device with coverage options for eligible accounts. Coverage can include loss, theft, accidental damage, and mechanical breakdown, depending on your plan. You get fast repair or replacement options, deductible reimbursements, and secure data support. Coverage highlights include nationwide support, simple claims, and dedicated customer service. Enrollment is quick and simple. Verify your device, confirm eligibility, then activate protection. Step 1. Verify your device by entering the make, model, and IMEI number. Step 2. Confirm eligibility by linking your Fifth Third account and accepting the terms. Step 3. Activate coverage and receive instant confirmation via email or in the app. To file a claim, open the MyCellular portal, describe the incident, and upload photos or receipts. Claims are reviewed quickly, so you can choose repair or replacement. Enroll now in the Fifth Third app or visit 53.com to get started.